Blocks of Bitcoin exposed. Does it really pay? I love games that allows me to earn some money on the side. I've made a few hundred satoshis a day by playing the Bitcoin miner and the idle miner games, which isn't too bad to think these are literal games. But there's a new game on the market called Blocks of Bitcoin. Is it the next big crypto game, or does it deserve to go in the trash? Let's find out. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our YouTube channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. A few weeks back, I reviewed the mobile game known as the Bitcoin Miner, and it turns out that same developer has dropped another Bitcoin earning game called Blocks of Bitcoin. Since that initial video, I've been on the hunt for another top tier application that allows me to earn crypto while playing games, just like what Bitcoin Miner did. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Blocks of Bitcoin works, the good, the bad, and how much you can realistically make from it. Before we dive into this video, I want to mention that I have left a link for Blocks of Bitcoin and the 𝐓𝐢𝐬𝐢 wallet, as you'll need both of those to be able to cash out your rewards you earn from the platform. Let's get into it. What is Blocks of Bitcoin? Blocks of Bitcoin is a puzzle game that mixes classic block placing gameplay with Bitcoin rewards. In the game, you have to drop different coloured shaped blocks into a grid, and when you complete a full row or a column, it clears, pretty much like Tetris. You get 5 lives per session, and once they're gone, you need to wait a set amount of time for them to refresh so you can play again. It's that simple. How do you earn? On the application, there are 2 different ways to earn. First is from the game itself. Every time you place a block into this grid, you will earn a tiny amount of Bitcoin, and if you stack combos, you'll be able to multiply those rewards more and more. I do want to be really honest here, the payouts you get for placing a block into this grid is tiny. We're talking millisats. So 1000 millisats equals 1 satoshis. So yeah, don't expect too much from this application. Second, there is the Earn Hub, where you will earn a small amount of Bitcoin for visiting partner websites and trying out different applications. It's basically a way to cross-promote the different applications by this developer, and by doing so, you'll earn a few extra satoshis, which you can't complain about. The thing is, when you compare this application to the Bitcoin Miner had 7 different ways to earn. This application only has 2, so it does feel very limited. Ads, ads, and more ads. And just like the other applications built from this dev, it's absolutely packed with ads. You will get hit with an ad after every single level you complete. It is ridiculous. The thing is, you can't even skip these ads. If you try and go offline and use airplane mode, you stop earning. What's even worse is if you force close the application, you actually lose one of your 5 lives. Seriously, what is this about? What's going on? The best way to play. On my channel, I always try to figure out how to make the most out of these earn while you play games. But honestly, this Blocks of Bitcoin one is going to be a grind. If you are going to use it, I would just stick to the Earn Hub. Grab the free satoshis, delete the application and move on to something more reliable, like the Bitcoin mining game. The thing is, the rewards based on the gameplay are so small, it's barely worth it. You're literally earning a fraction of a penny while sitting through these endless ads. It's not worth your time. Cashing out. Cashing out is at least simple. When you're on the home screen, simply hit cash out to see your balance and how much you would get when you convert the multisats to satoshis. Then click convert and withdraw. You'll then be required to link your 𝐓𝐢𝐬𝐢 wallet manually by entering your 𝐓𝐢𝐬𝐢 gamer tag. If you don't have one, I have left a link in the description to get you signed up for 𝐓𝐢𝐬𝐬. Once that's done, tap withdraw to 𝐓𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐬 and just sorted, your satoshis will be paid into your 𝐓𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐬 wallet. Final thoughts. Honestly, this is one of the worst crypto games I've ever played. I had high hopes for this because it's the same developer who made the Bitcoin Miner game, which I think is great, and I'm earning hundreds of satoshis a day from that game alone. The thing is, on the Bitcoin Miner game, I'm earning all these satoshis without watching a single ad. And that's the thing, once you get a good routine going on the application, you can earn some serious money for no effort. But then when it comes to Blocks of Bitcoin, it's a total letdown. If you do want to earn some free Bitcoin without drowning in all these ads, definitely try Ember Fund or go back to the Bitcoin Miner game. you'll make more, you'll waste less time, and you'll keep your sanity intact. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.